Introducing the Mac System 7.5 Sprint, the world's slowest race against time. Attempt to install Mac System 7.5 on your trusty Macintosh Classic using only 7 floppy disks, and watch as it transforms into a marathon that makes a snail on a sugar high look like Usain Bolt. We promise you'll have enough time to binge watch an entire season of your favorite show, take a nap, write a novel, and still have some minutes left to spare before your Mac finally finishes its 1 hour and 48-minute installed dance. Mac System 7.5, making quick work of your time since, well, it's still working on it.